Lot of people are asking me nowadays, sir, tell me one simple step to do the meditation and follow all the rules that I want. I am sitting there for hours and hours. I'm not getting anything. I'm not able to concentrate on anything. If I sit for 5 minutes also, I am not able to concentrate. There is few tricks that you can try, and then you will see the major difference. What are the steps? It's very easy. The very first step is aura cleansing. What is aura, sir? Why we need to cleanse? Yes, you need to cleanse your aura. There are a lot of people came back to us saying that with aura cleansing itself, it solved my problem. They did it for 21 days or 40 days. Few did it for one day and they saw the results also. It is very easy to cleanse the aura. And why we need to cleanse the aura? Because if you see our aura, it is not always pure. First, we will understand what is aura. So, aura is a layer around your body. This layer always like covered with you. If your aura is cleansed, okay, you will have a pure aura just like a rainbow. Okay, the colors may differ person to person, so you can see different aura for the different peoples. Now, the people who are sick, they will have different aura. The people who are healthy, they have different aura, and the people in the middle, they have different aura, and the healthy people have good aura. Okay, so you have different kinds of aura in it. So we need always healthy aura. Why we get this aura damage? Because when we talk to other people, yes, we think that he's a good person. We think he's our close friend. And then we start talking with him. And then he shares something bad about his family or anything. Immediately your aura starts getting damaged. Mostly it happens to girls, yeah. Somebody comes and say, you are looking so beautiful, and that's it. And she becomes like, yes, I am. That's it. Your aura is gone. So you have to be always flat. Okay, flat in the sense you should not go up and down. You have to be always balanced. Yes, the balance is the word we have to keep in our mind always. If you think something is going wrong, then you can do this cleansing again, so that your aura will get cleansed. Now, how to cleanse the aura? There are few steps. Just watch me carefully. I can show you until the half, and the rest thing I will just instruct in the screen. So see, first cleanse your aura. Take it just like a combing yourself with your hand. Now from crown chakra, just do this and assume that my aura is getting cleansed. My aura is getting cleansed. Each time it will be 3 times, and imagine a fire flame beside you and put that bad energy in it. Now see, I am getting cleansed. Put it from crown to shoulder. Okay, I am getting cleansed. Fire, I am getting cleansed. Into the fire. Now from shoulder to hip. Same 3 times. Yeah, and put it. Yes, and from shoulder to leg. You can bend down and do that. Okay, so this is aura is cleansed. And how many times I have to do, sir, in a day? You have to do this. Each hour is also fine. 2 hours once is also fine. The more you do, the more you get cleansed. Sir, I will be in the office. How to do it, sir? You can imagine yourself, right? You can imagine others' face. Yeah. You can imagine other person things. Same way, you can close your eyes and imagine yourself and do the same. Repeat it. It's easy. You can do it now if millions of people in front of you also. Okay, if it is not possible, you can keep open eyes and do this, imagining yourself. So, aura cleansing is that much. So, it is just removing our negative energy and putting into the imagination fire flame. Second thing is lock your aura. Yes, you have cleansed it. Now you have to lock it also. Yes, so that the cleansed aura will be locked. Okay, now to lock it, make a gun and do this from crown to the Muladhara chakra, one straight line. and from left to right another straight line. Okay, so it goes shoulder to shoulder. It is very easy, only one time you have to do, and it is a aura lock. Now the third thing is protection. Careful. Okay, now I have to put an intention that no negative energy can come and disturb me during the meditation. So it is very easy to do that. See, you have to just go with the right hand from right to left, whole circle and to a knot. And we will do this with a mantra chant. If you have Guru mantra, you can use it. Otherwise, you can chant with Gayatri mantra, because Gayatri mantra is a Siddha mantra. Anyone can use it. Now I will show you. This you have to do 3 times. Now, aura cleansing 3 times, lock only 1 time, protection 3 times. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tassaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. You have to repeat this for 3 times. I did it slowly, and while chanting, my intention was I was repeating inside the mind that no negative energy can come and disturb me during the period of meditation. So, 2 things going on. One, I'm chanting with mouth. In my mind, the intention is that now the aura is getting protected and no negative energy can come from the outside and disturb me. Yes? Yeah, perfect. So, these 3 things are really important before starting any meditation. Now we will see what is the next step for the meditation. Okay, how to sit, what mudra we need to put, and what is the best way to concentrate on yourself and know yourself. Knowing yourself, you can predict anything in and around you and try to help people by stopping it. It will be good for you and others also. Now we will see the simple steps how to do that. First of all, you can sit in the Padmasana down with the Gyan Mudra. Okay, try to give some support for the back. Yeah, while you are sitting, sit like flat. Try to have a cushion so that you can lift your back, which won't hurt your disc in a longer time. You might feel now it is very good, but in the longer time you can hurt your disc, and a lot of people gets back pain without doing anything. So try to protect your back. Health is wealth, yeah. So all we are doing for the health, yes, and the inside wealth also. So do this. Okay, first protect and spine straight. Obviously, spine have to be straight during that time. Spine straight, and carefully you have to put Khechari Mudra. Khechari Mudra is just, if you see your tongue, just touch that to the upper palate. Try to go little bit inside. Don't stress yourself. Just put how much you are comfortable. Try to put, see, palate. Okay, just touching the upper palate. First step, yeah, and head little bit upwards, just like you are watching diagonally. Yeah, if you have a ceiling and a wall, just the joint of them that you are watching. Try to put Shambhavi Mudra. Just roll your eyeballs to upwards and concentrate on your third eye. This is Shambhavi. If you put little bit diagonally, like your head little bit up, it will easy for you to put Shambhavi. You can feel some sensation here, but don't worry, that is all part of this. This is how is the first step for the simple meditation. Are you okay to do that? You can comment, you can try it, and then say it. It is very easy to do this meditation. In the beginning, you can get leg cramp. You will not be able to sit properly. You might get lot of thoughts from here and there. But don't worry, as the days goes on, everything will vanish. It's good to do the meditation early in the morning, okay, in the Brahma Muhurt. Otherwise, you do when people are slept also. So whenever you are free time, just start it and do it. Even a 10 minutes meditation a day in a 24 hours, 10 minutes can change your life. guarantee is mine. Just follow these things. There are a lot of people changed today. They are saying like before joining us and after joining us, it is a different experience. So be ready for that experience and try to do this simple meditation. This video is for you only. That's all. Signing off. Om Namah Shivaya.